Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim Excel system pack for glucose reagent. Yeah, this is the top view of the pack. You can find the brand name over here, Erba Mannheim Excel system pack. Yeah, I'm just going to show you the side view of the pack now. Yeah, this is the side view. Over here also you can find the brand name Erba Mannheim Excel system pack. Yeah, over here you can see the manufacturing detail at the bottom. Yeah, over here you can find the code number of the reagent. The code number is 120266 and you can see the reagent name glucose. This comes up with a pack size of 10 into 44 ml. This is used to analysis quantitative analysis of glucose level in human serum or plasma. Yeah, this is compatible with all Erba Mannheim Excel system series. Over here you can find the kit content. What are the kit present inside the pack? This comes up with an R1 glucose reagent of 10 into 44 ml pack size. You can see the shelf life of the product is 2 years. This is a C certified IVD product. Over here you can find that the product should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So only I am using ice pack to maintain the product temperature. Over here you can find the manufacturing details and other stuffs. These are the overall content information present outside the pack. This is the complete content of Erba Mannheim Excel system pack glucose. Thank you.